Hi and welcome to the ever-popular Balintore Estate and this wonderful home at 5 Kincraig Court. It's where relaxation and sophistication unite, incorporating spectacular indoor and outdoor entertaining and an abundance of space throughout. A flexible floor plan works perfectly for extended families with bedrooms and bathrooms across both levels. Outside, kids can run and play in the secure yard, and the stunning pool is only matched by its fabulous poolside cabana. Elegantly poised on a substantial 905 square metre block in a nice quiet cul-de-sac, a position that delivers convenience, a property that allows plenty of room for the toys, cars, caravans and trailers. Zoned for Castle Hill Public and Castle Hill High, and just a short distance to Oak Hill College, Castle Towers and of course transport. So just imagine moving in and knowing that this summer you'll be enjoying all of this. I'm Karen Dangola from Stone. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.